Hello everyone. Are you planning to start a company but might be confused about where to begin, why to start, who can start the company, where to start, and most importantly, how to start a company? And if you are thinking, can a professional help me in this process? Yes, then this video is definitely for you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Know the Company Law with CS Rupa Mohan. I'm a practicing company secretary in Bangalore. And through this channel, I help entrepreneurs and startups to understand the legal concepts in a simple and practical way, and also support them in their business journey. In today's video, I'll explain why, who, when, where, and how to start a company in India. Let's get started. First, let's understand why you should start a company. People start a company with a purpose and motive. They started because of some benefits. The first benefit is limited liability. This means your personal assets are protected. Second is a professional image. A registered company increases your credibility in the market. Next is a funding opportunity. Investors prefer companies rather than the individual. So you'll get more investors when you create a company. Then the continuity. A company continues to exist even if the owner changes. Under the Companies Act, a company is treated as a separate legal entity, so your personal assets are protected. Who can start a company? Now, let's understand who can start a company. Any individual can start a company. It can be a single person, two or more persons. Even the foreign nationals can be involved. If there is a single founder, you can start one-person company. If you have partner, then you can go with private limited company. Basic requirements to register a company is the ID proof, address proof, and the registrations like DIN and DSC, that is Director Identification Number, and the Digital Signature Certificate. Company related documents like MOA, AOA, and few other documents. If you are not sure about the eligibility or documentation, it's always better to consult a professional, because even a small mistake at this stage can delay your incorporation. Next, we'll understand where to start a company. Now comes a very common question: where do you go to start a company? The answer is you need not to go anywhere physically. Everything is done online through the MCA portal. You just need the internet access and mainly the required documents. Also, every company must have a register office address in India. This can also be your home address, but many founders face confusion in the documentation, approval, and the filing process. That's where the professionals like CACS can handle the entire process smoothly for you, from the documentation to the final incorporation. Now let's talk about when you should start a company. You should consider starting a company when you're serious about the business, when you want to grow, or you want to raise funds, or you want to separate your personal and business finances. However, if you're just testing an idea or doing a small freelance work, you may need not to register immediately as a company. Now, the most important part: how to start a company step by step. Let me simplify it for you. First, we'll have to choose a type of company, whether it is private company or one-person company or LLP. Then we should get the digital signature certificate for the filing. Then apply for the DIN, that is Director Identification Number. Then reserve your name. Then file incorporation form along with the required document. After our ROC approval, we'll get this certificate of incorporation. Then we have some post-incorporation work like open bank account, maintain compliances. For maintaining compliances, it's good to approach the professionals like company secretary. Then you can start your business operation. While these steps look simple, the actual process involves the documentation, approval, and the compliance check. As a practicing company secretary, we assist startups in handling the entire incorporation process end to end, so they can focus on their business without worrying about the legal compliances. So today we covered why to start a company, who can start, where to start, when to start, and how to start a company step by step. Starting a company is not difficult, but doing it correctly from the beginning is very important. If you're planning to start your own company and need guidance or professional support, you can connect with me. I'll be happy to assist you with your journey. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Know the Company Law with CS Rupa Mohan. In the next video, I'll come up with some new topic. Thank you.